Are you an employer or an asylum seeker wondering about the right to work in the UK? In this video, I'll show you how to check asylum seeker work rights using the employer checking service, also known as ECS Check. What is an ECS Check? The employer checking service is a free online tool provided by the UK Home Office. Employers use it to verify whether an asylum seeker has the right to work while their claim is being processed. When do you need an ECS check? Employers must request an ECS check when an asylum seeker does not have the standard right to work documents. This usually happens if they have an application registration card with a work restrictions or a pending decisions. How to perform ECS check? To perform ECS check, first go to Google and search ECS check. Remember, ECS check can be done by only your employer or the company. You cannot do it yourself. So you first search on Google ECS check and go to the first link, that one. And just click start now. Alright, so now there is a couple of questions they would ask first. The first one is we do not have this kind of papers or documents. That's the reason we need ECS check. So simply say no and continue. Now, does this person already work for you? So if they already work for you, click yes, neither click no. So I'm going with no. Continue. Are you unable to use digital right to work service due to technical error? Basically, it should be yes, because this is the reason we are going for ECS check. If we had like their BRP or if we had like share code, we can definitely check the digital way. So we do not need to check the ECS. So in that case, we are unable to check digitally their right to work. So we are going with the yes here and continue. Now we need all of this information of the employee, full name, date of birth, nationality, home address, job title, and how many hours they will work in your company. And as an employer, we need this kind of information of your companies. And I'm clicking on the continue. Now type the employee full name. I'm just typing some random name since this is just for educational purpose. So I'm typing any kind of random name right here. And date of birth. All right. Month say 12 and say 1990. All right. And the country of nationality, say, whatever you say, India, whatever it is. All right. Now click on the continue. Now the home office reference number. In the ARC card, you will find the ARC card number here. So this should be your ARC card number. Just type the ARC card number here and go with the continue. Now you have to type your employee address. Just type their address, whatever it is. I'm just typing some random things here. And the country. I mean, their original country. So I'm choosing here, though before I choose India, right? So let's move with India then. India and click the continue. Now the job title, just type whatever the role he will perform in your company. Just say example, property manager. Or whatever it is. How many hours they will perform? Say 40 hours. If they're full-time, if they're students, just type 20 right here. And click on the continue. Now you should have fill all of this, your business information, your company name, your company address, your employer contact name. It should be like someone already registered in the company house under your business. I mean, someone who are already registered in your company house. So it can be director, can be HR, or any controlled person. So just type the name, the job, say HR. I click on continue. Now the business address, just type the address and the postcode. I mean, your business address basically. Okay, we need I'm just typing a random address here. I'm not sure if this exists or not. Now you can verify the data you just typed there. And if everything is good, just click on continue and submit it. If everything is good, normally home office take around 5 working days to get back to you. Sometimes it take more than this. Basically, they will send you a document, PDF document like this. So if like employee have the right to work, you can find it is positive verification notice. In that case, if the employee does not have any kind of right to work in the UK, it will be marked as negative verification notice. So you can see all of the details of the employee and the restrictions, what kind of restrictions they have. Either they're allowed to do full-time or like 20 hours. So you can see the all restrictions there. All right, you see here is the work restrictions, none. So no work restrictions there. If the employee have any kind of restrictions, such as a student, it will be marked as 20 hour or something else, so you can see. So this is how you can do the ECS check. Each ECS verification notice has a 6-month validity time. Like in this 6 month, the employee can work fully in the company, and before finishing the 6 month, you must do a recheck of the employee right to work. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more UK legal immigrations update. See you in the next video. Thank you.